Alright, we got ourselves here an Ego 56 volt, 21 inch self-propelled 7.5 amp hour lawnmower. I give you an A on packaging. That was pretty amazing. Open the bottom of the box and then turn it over. It's like already put together and everything. Took like 5 minutes to unbox it, strap the bag on the frame, and super easy. So I bought this because this thing just pulled the cord, and I've worked on stuff my whole life, but I'm just tired of it. The gas, the maintenance, all of it. So I'm really curious if the Ego will do a job. And I gotta say, I got a bit of a dirty one for it to start off with. I have completely neglected my yard this year. I got weeds everywhere. You probably can't tell, but the grass is at least 10 inches tall. Some spots it's probably like a foot. My front yard and backyard together is 4/10 of an acre. So it's going to be a bit of a mission for the 7.5. You can see how long the freaking grass is, dude. Like, it's freaking, yeah, and that's a foot easy. So look at all those weeds. There's a bunch of stuff over there. Oh my God, I have let my yard go to pot this year. So that's the mission for it. All my mint growing like crazy. What am I gonna do back here? Anyway, we'll see how she does and if she can pull off the whole thing in one battery charge. I got the battery charging prior to use. You know, you gotta do that with everything electronic. It's quite the monstrous setup. I mean, it's a big old battery, big old charger. There's some Costco ketchup for scale. I'm fluctuating between 25 and 50%, so it's brand new. I just unboxed it. It hasn't been charged and done yet. I'm gonna try to do the front yard and the backyard all in one push. Cue ball does not care. Do you care? Okay guys, so I got the front yard done and then I came to the back. Look at this first cut. Listen how silent that is. Look at this first cut. Look at this super tall grass. I am 100% sure that my gas mower, which is old and decrepit, did run, would not have done that. It seems to have a load awareness. It like kicks into a more power when the grass is taller. Like, it sounded totally different in the front yard than it sounded here. And I gotta say, dude, front yard, one pass in the back, super impressed. Okay, so it just made a pass through this minefield and didn't really phase it. I mean, this thing is impressive. Like, it ain't nothing, dude. It just chews through it. Ego, you did good. I feel like Ego listened to the engineering department. I am so glad I freaking bought this thing. It'll just last forever, and I'll love you forever. Alright, so the yard's done. Minus under the tramp, because I just don't care right now. I don't feel like moving it. My red light's coming on for my battery indicator, which is way cooler than looking to see if you have gas, BTW. But I was just curious with the last little bit of juice, if it'll cut through these gnarly weeds over here and down to my beehive. I haven't been down to see my bees in a couple months because my lawnmower simply ain't gonna do it. Let's see if this one will. So this is how you start it. You hold this down, and as you hold that down, you pull back the lever. I can get that on film. Nope. Anyway, that starts it. There we go. To the bees. Rock. Oh. You can't kill it with 5-foot tall trees. It just keeps spinning. Hey bees. Going good. I think that's a good combination. A beehive and an electric lawnmower. Well, guys, I'd say it's an A+ from Utah on the Ego. If it ever craps the bed on me, I'll let you know. But that was impressive. Thanks for watching. Actually, not done yet. For all you super nerds out there, how much does the charger pull in watts? Money. Anyway, the lawnmower kicked the bucket on the way back from the bees. Understandably, she was working hard. And I was just kind of charged the battery. Let's see how many. Had to plug it in up there. Going up. For 20, man. It's like we're peaking off around 425. I think that means $35 a month if you just left it plugged in. $425 watts of energy draw. When I get my Tesla solar roof, it'll just be free. One thing I did like about the charger is when I took the battery out, it just completely cut off. There was no vampire load. I don't think it does that with the battery still on it. I'll have to double check on that, but when you pull the battery out, that thing just goes sleep. Have fun lawn and gardening. Over and out.